Hello everyone, this is Jens from Team Totem Pole, and I will now do a quick podcast on what we have done the past week. I'm the only one doing the podcast this time because of the tight time schedule we have to keep. The other group members are currently working on the last parts of the assignment. Today's agenda. Today we're going to talk about these 6 subjects which have been the main focuses this week. I'll just quickly run through these. Sprint planning of week 2, concept development, cultural tour of Tico, challenges, changing work environment, and in the end sprint review. Monday of the second week of the project, we had a sprint planning meeting where we put out the tasks that we have to finish throughout the week. We called this week the concept development week because since we, with our understanding of the client, thought we were ready to develop the concept for our client. As you see on the screen, we wanted to work on the following subjects. Monday sprint planning, daily scrum, and then we would start out the idea development through an open brainstorm in the group. Then cultural meeting where we went to Teco to get a feel of the environment. Wednesday we wanted to finalize the concept development, maybe do some more focused brainstorm and use some more theories and models. Thursday we started on the design process. We wanted to also take a look at the problem statement and finishing the remaining some of the remaining texts. Friday we wanted to produce a bit more individually and prepare for the weekend and also visualize the coming week. Concept development. After the sprint planning and scrum meeting Monday, we started out by visualizing what our client consisted of and where we would focus our work. We found that it is a very good idea to have a blackboard where you can visualize what you mean and thereby create a better understanding. While brainstorming and drawing a lot on the blackboard, we also had a few sessions where we would sit individually for a couple of minutes to just put down our thoughts on the concept. This process helped a lot, and we got a wide picture of what the concept was, and we felt that we had completely analyzed the possibilities here. After a long day of big thoughts and deep ideas, we finally had a direction to go. On Tuesday, we had planned to go to Tego, a school in Herning, to get a better look at what our client and target group consisted of. We also wanted some pictures to support our assignment, both in the communication plan and design manual. Tego is, by the way, only a part of the client. Already when we arrived, we got a sense that this was a place for creativity and big thoughts. Here, for example, is the great sculpture Elia, which is, by the way, way bigger than it looks. It is located just beside the school, and you really get a sense that this is a place for creativity and art. Inside the school, we once again saw that this was a place for open-minded, social, and hardworking students. A lot of the great sculptures and art pieces and different kind of productions from the students were placed all over the big school. I guess for inspiration to other students and for just to admire. On Wednesday, we further developed on our concept and also took a look at the target group and different market segments. This was a day of great challenge since there were different understandings of what the concept was. By the end of the day, we decided to go home, sleep, and then approach the project once again with fresh minds. This was a great day because we had some intense discussions showing that we are all very motivated about this project and that not even the smallest detail will pass without approval. The school closed on Thursday and Friday due to the ridiculous amount of holidays we have in Denmark, but we didn't had a chance to change the work environment and add some positive energy to the project. We went to visit Nils's parents' house, where we had a great open space with a lot of nature around, as you see, and this helped keep our brains filled with a nice ambience while we started to produce. During these days, we finished most of the business analysis and wrote a good part of the communication plan, as well as made a lot of wireframes and mock-ups. And all this work led to a great foundation for the third week, which we were about to enter. By Friday in week 2, we had a sprint review, but this time we didn't do a podcast, even though we said we would. But we didn't feel that we had enough material at that time. Instead, we had a great long talk about how we felt in a group, what we have done, as well as what we needed to do, just to get everyone on the same page. Everyone should do that. It helped a lot. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed, and we are looking forward to making the next podcast. Team Totem Pole out.